Hello everyone, I'm Sikandar Kher and I'm here on letsthinkaloud.com with the wonderful Himani.
So you know what now we're doing like this little fun part where you don't have to give us like long answers. So we have like the quick 10 where we are going to be asking you fun questions.
Yeah. Fun things.
Yeah. So ready? Okay, if Sikandar becomes a Daulat in real life, whose bodyguard would you want to be?
If I had a daughter, it would be my daughter.
Oh, that's so cute. I was not expecting this answer. That's adorable. Okay, name one person from your life or the industry who does not need a Daulat.
Who does not need a Daulat? Tiger Shroff.
Okay. Okay. All right. If you were
and whip them hard.
Sorry?
He'll flip and whip and kick them hard.
Okay. If you were given a choice to okay, apart from your daughter, is there anybody else you would want in real life who you would choose?
I mean,
Jo hai.
Animals, I guess, dogs on the
Dogs.
road.
I thought you'd say that. Okay. All right. Chemistry between Daulat and Arya. How will you define it? 2 words.
He's been in love with her since they were children because that's when he met her.
Okay.
So that's his love.
All right. What's the one film or series you watched recently, Sikandar, which you think that, you know, if you would have done it, you would have aced it or you would have done it really well?
I don't think there's anything that you can ace in acting, but there's things you'd want to work in,
right.
You know, and do stuff. And I can't say one, but one second, I'll do it. There's a phone here.
Yeah. Okay.
I have to tell you because it's a really...
Yeah, please do.
I would love to play that part. Sorry guys, excuse me, I'm moving.
हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है.
हाँ, मैं नहीं इतना भी नहीं. Show. It's called
Married. All right.
Married.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Free time with Anupam Kher ji. Recently, बहुत सारा free time मिल रहा है आप दोनों को. What have you two been doing?
Nothing. I ask him to leave my room every time he comes in. And, that I just take my camera and I randomly feel like filming him and fooling around with him. But we're cool. It's good fun.
Great. What's the best compliment that Anupam ji and your mom gave you for this show?
I mean,
like something they saw it and they're like,
good work. They enjoyed the show. The main thing is they enjoyed the show. My father is very encouraging. He liked what I did. The one person I actually look forward to is my mother because she's brutally honest. So I always wait for her.
Okay.
And she watched it a little later and said she loved the show and she said you did really, really well.
Lovely. Okay. So do we see Daulat out of jail and back in Arya's life in season 2?
I'm sure that'll happen. I don't know though. I don't know how he's getting out of jail. I keep asking Ram and Sandeep, isko jail se kaise nikal rahe ho? So I'm hoping.
Yeah, क्या पता आर्या ही निकाल दे, you know, on grounds of यार, but he also.
कहीं ना कुछ नहीं उसमें मार दिया ना किसी को तो ये सोच के निकालना पड़ेगा.
Okay, we can't wait. Future projects, I've seen a lot of you. In fact, I recently, even I was trying to remember when I, you know, kind of penned down this question that I recently saw, not a trailer, but a poster and I saw your name on it and I couldn't remember because suddenly I'm seeing Sikandar Kher and Daulat and...
Are you talking about Charge Sheet?
No, Charge Sheet no. Charge Sheet is on ZEE5, right? No, not Charge. Something else.
I'm doing a film called Suryavanshi where I'm
Suryavanshi, yes, Suryavanshi. Yeah.
No, but yeah, I'm not on the poster. It's only Akshay Kumar on the poster.
No, but I think I read your name.
My name.
I read your name, yeah.
I would have loved to be on the poster.
I know. You never know. With the way things are changing.
अगर आप सुन रहे हो, अगर ये देख लिया आपने please अगली बार.
Okay. You know, Sikandar, I want to ask you now your life and career. You know, if you look at this is like suddenly, I wouldn't say like a new phase for you, and your trajectory has been up and down. Like even from Woodstock Villa, whatever projects or films you did, it hasn't been that one hasn't noticed you. You've always somebody's always noticed and said, "Oh, Sikandar's done really good." Woodstock Villa, yeah. Even more recently, the one film that I really liked you in was no. Aurangzeb.
Okay.
Even so, you know, yeah. So those are parts that kind of you remember the character from that film. यार उसमें सिकंदर बहुत अच्छा था. how do you think, or what do you think needs to kind of change in the industry with so much noise going on currently? You know, we don't know what's going on, but what do you think needs to change that these kind of strong characters or supporting parts really come to the forefront? And, you know, it's not only about the big names.
You know, the big names are the people that pull in the audience. That's about it. And I don't even think of what needs to change. For me, it's very simple. I just keep working. Whatever happens, because there's no expectation out of anything. I don't think anything needs to change. I think it is what it is. And if you're trying to change something, you're already thinking in a different way. So, you have a big actor. This is India. It's the public. We are catering to people. We're catering to people that want to see something. So if you have a huge star, they're pulling in the people.
Yeah.
And I mean, that's just what it is. Yeah. Those guys have that, and they have that, and that's what it is. I don't know. I don't think there's anything to change. That's just what it is. Tom Cruise will always be Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise will get, Jim Carrey will get people in. Those are superstars. Schwarzenegger will get people in. Like when you look even at Hollywood and you see the amount of money that people used to make, these guys were on another level, but De Niro was in no way close to getting the kind of money that these people make. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's just how it functions.
Right. You know, I've been reading a lot about what you've been writing on social media, even your interviews and stuff. And I like the fact that even though you are a child of very, very legendary established actors, that, you know, there's a sense of calm, there's a sense of great understanding that you possess, there's a sense of, you know, that you know what it is and you don't wish to overreact or overthink or overmull over things and give a very broad or negative perspective to it. So which is great about you. In fact, I wanted to tell you that I read up a lot of Instagram posts that you put up, or, you know, the way, like even your comments on a lot of things. And it's really nice to see that about you, because you are clearly, it's not like you are a nobody or an outsider. You are a son of Anupam Kher and Kiran Kher. So which is great to see that about you, and it exudes a lot of positive vibe and energy, and it's nice to see that.
Thank you. It just keeps me at peace. It's about me. It has nothing to do with anything else. So whatever keeps me at peace, that keeps me at peace. Not to think of too many things and just do your stuff. Yeah. And there's no point in thinking otherwise. You know, it's a human tendency. But don't judge them either. Just be calm and be happy for yourself. You're living for yourself. Your best friend is you. You wake up every day with you. You spend your whole life with you. So try to make it easy. I've been through phases where it's not also been awesome. So I prefer this. I prefer the halkapan.
Fantastic. Very nice. I wish you like all the success that you can here on. Tell me, Sikandar, what are your future projects? Like, I know now it's the lockdown, but what is it that you're looking forward to?
She's coming out. There's another show that I'm shooting for. We've already shot a bit for it. We'll have to visit. So whenever the lockdown is done and we can start shooting, we'll be shooting for that.
Okay, great. And any message you have for your fans in Singapore and the APAC region where people are listening to you?
Guys, it's a great time in cinema and in entertainment right now. In the OTT platform, it's reaching out to all of y'all. It's so wonderful that y'all get a chance to see our work and hopefully enjoy it. And please do. It's beautiful. The industry is booming. People are getting a lot of work, and it's just fantastic. And it's a great time. And I'm so happy that I get a chance to speak to you from Singapore and to people in Singapore. I've been there once. It's so beautiful. It's such a lovely place. I love the people there, and just thank you for all the love that you all give. Yeah, we're very lucky to do what we do, and we do it for you. And when you like it or you appreciate it, that's really the biggest payoff.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Sikandar. When you come to Singapore next, please drop me a message. I would love to catch up with you and take you out for a nice coffee or something. Yeah.
We'll go now for crab to Clark K or Boat K.
Oh my God! Of course. Oh, you know, of course we will. Of course. In fact, there are a lot of new places, so I'd love to take you around.
Okay, superb. Yeah, that'll be my pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sikandar. Yeah, much love.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.